Hello students, today I am going to explain how to complete the sentence unscramble activity. The items you need are the ones you see on the screen. This is your I can card. These are your different cards with the words and pictures on them, and then this is your recording sheet right here. Here is your I can card that I will read to you. It says, I can. Read the words on the cards. 2. Put the words in the correct order to make a complete sentence, like you see here. And 3. Find the matching picture on my recording sheet and write the sentence. The first thing you need to do in order to complete this activity is to take all of your cards here and match all the pictures. So you're going to put them in the different groups. You're going to sort them and put them in piles with all the same pictures on, like you see that I've done here. Once you do that, you're then going to take one pile and you're going to put those cards in order to make a complete sentence. Now, to give you a little bit of help, I want to remind you that a sentence starts with a capital letter, so you know the capital letter card is going to be your first card. So I'm going to go ahead and move it over here. Now, I also know that a sentence ends with a punctuation mark, and in this case, the punctuation mark is a period. Remember, it says stop. So I am going to put this card in the last spot because I know it's going to be the end of my sentence. So I have I in bus. Then I have two more words that I have to figure out where they go. So I'm going to try to put this one here and this one here, and then I'm going to read it and see what it says to make sure it makes sense. So this says I, the, see, bus. No, I don't think that makes sense to me, but I know my first word and my last word are in the correct spot. So let's try to move these two cards. Let's switch them around and then read it again and see if that makes sense. So now it says, I see the bus. Oh, that sounds correct. Once you have that sentence in order the way you want it, you are going to just double check and read it. I see the bus. Yes, that makes sense to me. So now I'm going to get my recording sheet right here, and I am going to write my name on my recording sheet, Mrs. Woods. Then I am going to look for the picture on my recording sheet that matches the picture on my sentence cards, which is the bus down here at the bottom. Then I am going to write that sentence just like I see it. I, capital I, space, see, space, the, space, bus. And I'm going to make sure I put a period. So I want to have a capital letter at the beginning like this, give spaces in between my words so I can read it. So I see the bus with a period at the end. Once I record this sentence, I am going to scramble these words back up. I'm going to turn them upside down, and I'm going to put them back down for my partner or one of my teammates to get those and do it. And I'm going to grab another pile, and I'm going to continue making sentences until I get them all completed and all recorded on my recording sheet.